Hello and welcome to my channel. I want to thank everyone for joining, and if you're not a subscriber, just hit that little red button over to your right. You can use scanners to do all sorts of regens. I have used this genus in one of my videos, and you may have seen it. If not, go back and look at it, and it'll show you how to use the genus to actually do a regen. There are many scanners out there that is made to help you out and to actually save you money and time. In this video, I'm going to use the Autel to actually do a regen, and I'm going to show you step by step on how to do it and to get you back on the highway again. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is make sure you are connected to your OBD. I have cleared out the engine light, and it's still showing, of course, keep driving, cleaning the exhaust filter. Let's go into service, DPF, GM. Working on a 2010 Express, manual selection, 2010, light duty, Chevrolet, Express, .6 liter. Hot functions, engine control module, DPF service, regeneration. And you're going to read through and just make sure that everything is okay. It's clear. Hit OK. Continue to read. Press OK. And of course, just follow directions. OK. And we're going to cut on the regeneration. We'll hit on. And make sure your parking brake is engaged. I like to use chuck blocks. Also, some regens would take 10 minutes. Some would take 70 minutes. And I have regen vehicles that I had the engine light on, and once I went through the regen, I was actually able to clear out the engine light. This is all you have to do. Well, I believe we got it. All right, so you may have to take it for a test drive and just take it down the road in case you see the cleaning filter the vehicle needs to run. If you see that sign, just take it down the road and just make sure that it's okay. That's all it needs. Just take it around the block and just bring it back. Once you do that, your odometer reading will actually show back up and you're good to go. So that's all you have to do. And you may have to do more than one regen, but I think we're good to go. Engine light stayed out. And I'm just going to back out. It seems to like it best when I back out of it. Then I just go straight to the home page. So now you know how to regen your 3500 Express Chevrolet. I hope this video was helpful. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Take care and work safely.